quite a crowd that's gathered here at India Gate, and they're about to flag off the walkathon. And joining me, someone who needs no introduction, Dr. Sonal Mansingh. There is Dr. Jagdish Prasad here and Dr. Bhandari here, who along with a whole lot of people are flagging off this walkathon, and which is actually for an extremely noble cause. As you said, organ transplant and tissue transplant. Ma'am, we're trying to raise awareness for this. What do you have to say, and what message would you like to give out to people?
You've used the correct word, because through information awareness, and through awareness further work. I've already donated my eyes and my heart, because dancer's heart is like a soldier's heart, very strong and also very sensitive. So I've already done that, and maybe I'll donate more, because once you are dead, you are dead. What use is it to put it in the fire? Let other people live.
Absolutely.
So it's a very noble cause, and I'm very happy to be connected to it, associated for some time already now.
Absolutely. And also, sir, we're trying to also remove some misconceptions that people have regarding donation. What do you want to say? And also,
I just want to say that there's no myth regarding this organ donation, because people used to think that if you donate eye in this generation, the next generation will be born blind. So there's no myth. We have already asked religious head also about this, and the people are saying there's nothing like that. And we want to convey that the soul goes to heaven, but the organ don't. So one person can save life of 8 to 9 persons,
Absolutely.
including
Absolutely.
So we with a thousand people gathered here to convey this message to the public, to India, that we want this, because the pool is increasing day by day, and we are not able to cope up with the the demand of demand and supply. So our request is to donate organ and to save the life of people.
Absolutely. As you said, there is a demand, but the supply is less. What would you like to say about this?
I have two messages. The message for the relative, that before somebody dies from your house, you can see their life in other people's. So you can give the life to others. And I want to say that persons who want to please, that you can live yourself even you are dead. And you can remember that I have given the greatest gift to the humankind by donating our organs. That's my message.
And it's over to you, Vikram. As they said, somebody has a banner here saying "Dil Deke Dekho." So here we are just flagging off this walkathon, and more power to more to give.